Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily resize your existing designs into any other format or dimension. For example, I've created this design in Canva, and now I want to resize it to a different dimension, like for a Facebook story. You don't have to start from scratch on another site. You can simply take your already made design and resize it to another size. To do that, go to the sidebar and search for the size you want to resize to. There are various social media dimensions, maybe for Facebook stories, banners, posts, reels, and more. There are lots of options. If you want TikTok sizes, that's available too. And if you need Facebook sizes, there are options for those as well. So let's say I want to update it to a story format. Just click on the Story option, and you'll find the Copy and Resize feature, which lets you resize your design. Alright, so as you can see, it has now been redesigned in another size. So simply make any adjustments if needed, and like this, you can modify again very easily. After that, once you're ready to export it, just reposition your design as needed. Then, to export it, go to the Share option and download it. For stories, PNG is a good format, perfect for Facebook or Instagram stories. So that's a simple way to resize your post to story size within a few minutes and without starting from scratch. That's it! If you have any questions about this video or Canva, just comment below. I'll answer all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. That's it. If you have any questions about this video or Canva, just comment below. I'll answer all your questions.